Hey guys, okay, I have one oil leak that have yet to be addressed, and that is right in the front of the oil pan. But that was my fault. When I put the trigger wheel on the back of that pulley, I had to bend down the lip of the oil pan, right here. That unfortunately caused the 30-plus year old form-in-place gasket sealer to break up. So we're going to address that pretty soon. This is an oil pan I've had in my possession for a very long time. I bought it thinking that the old one had the oil plug stripped out, which thankfully it wasn't. So I put this in my storage room. Thought nothing of it. Well, guess what? Since I'm going to pull that oil pan off, why don't we put this new one on? And why don't we do some mods? Why not? You know? Well, one of the first ones. This is a Gredi oil plug with a neodymium magnet on the end of it. It's a lot lighter than the factory one. Okay. Differences between the 4AC and 4AGE in the oil pan area. There's actually one big difference, and that is you pull this off, this oil pan. Let's put that right here. We are missing a windage tray. What is a windage tray? Well, the rotating assembly as it moves is slinging oil all over the place, and it also has, when you turn and whatnot, you have the possibility of some of the oil in the pan getting up onto the rotating assembly, which is a big no-no, because believe it or not, oil can rob you of horsepower. Yeah, I did say that, but I read it, and that's why you buy one of these, which goes as follows. Like that. So now the rotating assembly is away from the oil. I picked this one up brand new at the dealer for 15 bucks. So I will show you the part number in case you want to get one, if you can still get them, because when I bought this there were 8 left in the US. So I do know a few friends have bought a couple, so it might be less than 5 now, if you're lucky. So yeah. That's 2. One other thing. The strainer, or the oil pickup, the thing that sticks... Let me move this out of the way. The thing that goes down into this hole. It's not designed very well, and when the engine is, when a 4AC or even a 4AGE is at full chat, there's only 1 quart of oil in this pan at that time. So if you go for a hard left or hard right, be it drifting, grip driving, whatever, you're starving your engine of oil. Well, there is a company that fixes that. This is an SS Works racing oil strainer for the 4AGE, but since the 4AGE and 4AC uses the same pickup, this will work in a 4AC. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this. And here is a photograph of why it's important. As you can see from the photograph, this head is further in. So now when this goes in here, which I think it goes this way, yeah, it now sits about less than a 1/4 inch away from the bottom of the pan. So it's guaranteed to be submerged, fully submerged into that 1 quart of oil when you're going crazy. So that completely eradicates the oil starvation during hard cornering. I would suggest you buy one of these. I got it for a little less than $100 in Japan. So, we're going to be taking care of the oiling problem on my car. We, as in me and a few friends. This is not exactly... He's like, you can do it yourself, but it's nice to have help when you can get it. You know what I mean? I'm sure you all saw my my little unboxing video. We will be coming back to that soon. This is A for Hachi signing off.